Okay, everybody. So, welcome back. If you're just joining us, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace and a Tiny Product Lab. And we're going to do a bunch of very short tutorials on using Canva and Canva templates to create digital products. And I'm just going to show you what I do generally. Is very simple. I will take a template, I will, or I'll create a template. Usually, I'll find something else online. I spend a lot of time looking at other designers and things that I really like, and I try to recreate them in Canva. And here's something I just created today. Let me see. Actually, I'll show you it this way because I'm going to actually offer this on one of our Gumroad style stores. But it's a simple two-page sheet that, as you can see at the bottom, it says a tiny book of big ideas about mindfulness for sensitive people. We'll be offering this on trippytherapy.com, which is our new community for mental health professionals, therapists, coaches, social workers, etc. And these sorts of things get really, people love to buy these sorts of products, especially at the end of, or the beginning of a new year or the end of the previous year. I'm recording this on the 17th of December, 2025. So obviously the timing of this applies. So again, all I'm doing is creating a simple digital product. We're going to actually have a Notion template that comes with this, and then an audio file of me talking about my own goal setting, habits, especially